Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to square any two-digit number. Let's begin. First, 32 squared. So first, gagawin natin is gagawa tayo ng 3 lines. Okay? Then, second step, we're going to square the first digit which is 3. So 3 squared is equal to 9. And yung 9 is ilalagay natin sa first line. Second is square natin ang second digit which is 2. So 2 squared is equal to 4. So yung 4 is ilagay natin sa last digit, sa last line. Then what happens sa middle? Gagawin natin sa middle is i-multiply natin si 3 at saka si 2 times 2. So we have 3 times 2 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. So yung 12 is ilagay natin sa gitna. Then bring down 4. Then bring down natin si 2 at saka si 1 is i-add natin sa 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So the final answer is 32 squared is equal to 1024. Another example, 67 squared. So the same process, square the first digit. 6 squared is equal to 36. Next, 7 squared is equal to 49. Then, in the middle, 6 times 7 times 2 is equal to 84. So, lagay natin sa gitna si 84. Then, bring down 9, carry 4 to 84. So, 84 plus 4 is equal to 88. So, bring down 8, carry the 8 to 36. So, 36 plus 8 is equal to 44. So 67 squared is equal to 4,489. Next, 86 squared. So same process, 8 squared is equal to 64. And 6 squared is equal to 36. And 8 times 6 times 2 is equal to 96. So bring down 6, carry 3 to 96. 96 plus 3 is 99. Bring down 9, carry the 9 to 64. 64 plus 9 is equal to 73. So 86 squared is equal to 7,396. And that's the answer. Next, 64 squared. So 6 squared is equal to 36. Next, square the second digit. 4 squared is equal to 16. Then third step, 6 times 4 times 2 is equal to 48. Then, last step, bring down 6, carry 1 to 48. 48 plus 1 is equal to 49. Bring down 9, carry 4 to 36. 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. So 67 squared is equal to 4,096. Next, 49 squared. Square the first digit. 4 squared is equal to 16. Next, 9 squared is equal to 81. For the middle, 4 times 9 times 2 is 72. Then, bring down 1, carry 8 to 72. 72 plus 8 is is equal to 80. Bring down 0. Then 7 becomes 8. Then 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. So 49 squared is 2401, and that's the final answer. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video lesson. Thank you and good day.